This is a travel film. You know it's a travel film because of this pointless transition. And this one, and this one, and this one. Maybe a quote from Will Smith right here.
Accepting responsibility is...
Alright, that's enough. You'll see a lot of neon lights and hear keywords like sights, sounds. You might also hear some sound effects that don't match. Maybe a voiceover from another language, doesn't matter which language. La mesa. And then fade out with Chinese music that I found off YouTube. Don't experience these places through generic videos. Go there yourself.